Samsung just announced a bunch of new smartphones today, including the S10, Galaxy S10 Plus, S10 5G, S10e, and even a foldable phone called the Galaxy Fold. You can find more about those phones on digitaltrends.com, but currently we have a Galaxy S10 Plus in our hands right now. How about we go unbox it? So the Galaxy S10 Plus is different from the others because it has a massive 6.4-inch screen, and there it is right there. That is the new Galaxy S10 Plus. It shares a lot of similarities with the S10, except the differences are, again, the extra camera on the front there. And we'll dive into some of those others in a second, but first, let's take a look at what else is in the box. We have a pair of earbuds. So these are the earbuds that come in the box. They're the AKG earbuds, which Samsung traditionally packages in. They're wired, comes with a nice braided cable. And the design also is a little different from the typical AKG earbuds that we have seen so far. So that's pretty nice. And again, that's a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is always nice to see. Samsung is keeping the headphone jack, one of the only manufacturers to do so, alongside LG. This is the USB-A charger. Thought we'd see a USB-C charger instead of a USB-A, but of course, you also get a USB-A to USB-C, so you can plug in things like a USB on-the-go cable or a micro SD card slot if you don't have a USB-C attachment. And one more thing about this, the phone still supports Qualcomm's Quick Charge 2.0 technology, which is a bit disappointing because we're on Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 Plus or something like that now, and there are phones out there that can charge a lot faster than the S10. And over in here, I'm gonna have to pry this one open. Perhaps a little savagely. And it's just the charging cable that you use with this. It's a USB-A to USB-C charging port. So that's what's in the box. Let's take a look at the phone. That's the 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED screen. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And while that boots up, we have the Bixby button, the volume rocker over here, power button over here, and this is the beautiful prism white color with this little plastic thing here that I'm going to take off. Yeah, that's always satisfying. It really is a beautiful pearl white color. And so the Galaxy S10 has triple cameras on the back. And that's actually, well, there's the audio that you can use if you want to set up the phone with help, but let's turn that off. And as I was saying, so the Galaxy S10 Plus has triple cameras on the back. Now this is also, for the first time, the Galaxy S10, the smaller one, has the same exact camera setup. So you're getting the same features across the board. So really the differences are, apart from the size, is that you have this extra second camera on the front, and that's an RGB 8-megapixel lens that's mostly used for depth, so you get better selfie portrait mode photos. So look at that display. So basically that's the other cool part about this dynamic display, that because they cut open the display here to put these cameras in there, you're getting much more screen real estate. So you're getting super thin bezels on the bottom and the top. And of course you have the edge screens on the sides. The new Galaxy S10e doesn't have that edge screen. It's more of like a flat traditional smartphone screen. So I'm almost done setting up the phone, but I did want to show you guys the new in-display fingerprint sensor that's available in the S10 and S10 Plus. So basically, let's just go through and add a random pattern, because you need that. And now you'll get to, so it's using ultrasonic technology and it's built right here into the display, so that's why there's no fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone. So that works pretty quickly. I mean, it's so far a better experience than the in-display fingerprint sensors I've used on phones like the OnePlus 6T or the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Get a full scan, cool, so something that we've seen traditionally on other fingerprint scanners, just trying to get all those added, and there you go, that was pretty easy. So we've just set up the fingerprint scanner, and we've realized now that you can unlock the phone without even having to turn it on. And now it doesn't really show much of where to put your finger, but once you figure it out, you just tap it right there and there you go, unlocked. Now here's sort of a better way to see it. You can see the fingerprint scanner over there. Press it, and that is probably the best in-display fingerprint scanning tech we've seen to date. So that's a quick look at the unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus. If you want more, check out our hands-on video and other comparison videos right here.